Hello everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. Today we are going to study about the modern period. So previously we have studied about medieval period of Nepal. So today we are going to study about modern period. So the political history of the modern Nepal started from 1825 BS, that is 1768 AD. The modern period of Nepal is supposed to have started following the conquest of over the valley by the king of royal dynasty Prithvi Naran Shah. Prithvi Naran Shah, the founder of modern history and geography of Nepal, has given the masses the unity in his glorious masses. Let all be aware of that the country has not owned with many little difficulties. It is the garden of four color and 36 castes. So Prithvi Narayan is regarded as the founder of unification of Greater Nepal. It is taken nearly 73 years from the victory over Nuwakot 1801, that is 1744 AD, to the Treaty of Sugauli in 1873 BS or 1816 AD to unify and organize the territory divided into small states into a powerful states. So we'll discuss about the very powerful kingdom that is ruled by Saha dynasty. So we'll start the introduction to Saha dynasty. Although the various genealogies has been described that the ancient history of the royal dynasty in a different way, the Gorkha royal dynasty is believed to have the relationship with the Sisodiya Rajput of Chittor of India on the basis of the various facts and often till date. Following the fall of Chittor due to the attack of Muslim, the rulers of Chittor fled to different places. Some years later, Bhopal of the same royal dynasty settled in the Ridi of Nepal and later to Birkot. The two sons of Bhopal Hari Singh and Ajay Singh for the first time established their own independent state in the hills. These two brothers declared that they had the honor title similar to the ruler of the India. Therefore, they are also known as Kancha Khan and Micha Khan in the history. Vichitra Khan, Kulmanda Khan became the king after the younger Ajay Singh Jinesh. It has been stated in the genealogy that Kulman Kulmandan Kulmandan got the title Saha by the emperor of Delhi. Therefore, it is believed that the royal dynasty had started using Saha with their name from the time of Kulmandan. The throne of Lamjung had vacant at the time Kulmandan Shah, and with the request of Lamjung, his youngest son Yasovarma Shah was made the king. Yasovarma Shah had two sons. The eldest was Narahari Shah and the youngest was Drabya Shah. The same youngest son of Yasodhara Shah, Drabya Shah, conquered the Gorkha and established his state there. Though the estate of the Gorkha belonged to the class of Chaubisi estate, it had its own existence and importance. Initially, the Khadkas used to rule over the Gorkha. Gorkha developed as a state of royal dynasty after Drabya Shah, the son of the king of Lamjung. uh, Yasovarman Shah ascended to the throne in 1616 or 1559 AD. So the establishment of the estate of the Gorkha. After that, before the establishment of the royal dynasty of Gorkha, Drabya Shah came into the contact with the Gorkhali people in the situation when the elite of the Gorkha were very angry with the Khadka kings because of their racial discriminations, suppression and religious rampant, and they wanted to uncrown them and wanted to make the appropriate person the king of Gorkha. So the Gorkhali people were influenced by his brilliant personality and made a preparation to make him the king. At the time of Grooms with the surname Ghale used to rule over the place called legally. It was the custom there to make the person the king who became the first in the race held each year on the day of Vijaya Dashmi. When Drabya uh, was there to observe the occasion. He made the sudden attack and took control over there. Drabe Shah invaded the Gorkha immediately after the conquer of Ligli, but the Gorkhalis made the intensive defense. So Drabe was unable to conquer even after the war for 15 days, and he was compelled to return legally. Since Drabe was a highly ambitious person, the first defeat could not suppress his enthusiasm and Bhagirath Pantha, the Ganesh Pandey, and Sraswal Khanal and Ghangram Rana, G- Gajanan Bhattarai and Kesav Bohra and Murali Khaswa were encouraging his enthusiasm as well. Soldier of the Drabya, along with the Thapa, Bhosal, and Maske Rana, and cordoned and attacked the palace for the king of Gorkha. The Khadka king was killed by the Drabyasa. This way, Drabyasa became the king of Gorkha on 25th Bhaudon 1616 BS. His descendant of Ramsa became the king of Gorkha after 1663 AD. He was popular for the justice. So this is the table which shows the king before the Prithvi Narayan Shah. The first was Drabya Shah, Purandar Shah, Chhatra Shah, Ram Shah, Dambar Shah, Krishna Shah, Rudra, Prithvipati Shah, Narbhupal Shah. So Narbhupal Shah was the father of Prithvi Narayan Shah. So Prithvi Narayan Shah and the unification campaign of Nepal. So we'll discuss this in very detail in the next class. So for this we'll end this lecture. So thank you for watching. So meet you in the next class. Thank you. Jai Nepal. Thank you.